Hello, everyone. Welcome to piano class today. It's going to be a wonderful time. Just go along with me. Now, the first thing that I'm going to be showing you today is the fingers. We play the piano with right hand and the left hand. But at this level, at the beginner level, I will first of all introduce you to the right hand technique. So, how does that go? You have five fingers on the right, you have five fingers on the left. But I'm going to start with the right hand. I thank God that every one of you have five fingers. If you don't have five fingers, you find alternative to that. So pardon me, that's just on the light mood. Now, the five fingers on the right, you have the thumb as finger one. Next to that, you have the index finger as finger two. You have the middle finger, which is the longest finger, as finger three. And you have this ring finger, the ring finger, this, as finger four, while the pinky, the shortest one or so far, is finger five. So you have finger one, finger two, finger three, finger four, and finger five. Each of these fingers is very unique in the kind of work they do. Never mind, I said we're going to work on the right hand technique, but the left hand too have similar number. It's the same thing as a matter of fact. This finger one, the thumb, the index finger is finger two, the middle finger is finger three on the left as well. Then you have this ring finger as finger four, then the pinky as finger five. The same numbering: finger one, finger two, finger three, finger four, and finger five. But at some point, the two of them might be doing contrary motions on the piano, as the case may be. Depends on the kind of work you want to do at every point in time. But now is the right hand technique. Now, let's go to the next stage. Now, as a beginner, you play on the key of C major. On the key of C major. Why? Because the key of C major has no black key. Has no black key. It's white keys all throughout. Now, someone will be wondering, what do you mean by white? What do you mean by black key? Well, as the case may be, you can see that the keyboard is made up of two types of keys. You have the black keys and you have the white keys. And when you look at it very well, the white keys are arranged in succession, one after the other, from the lower octave to the higher octave. White keys are arranged one after the other. But you have the black keys arranged in certain pattern. You have the two black keys, you have three black, you have two, you have three, you have two, you have three, and so on and so forth. So we're going to be using these black keys to navigate towards recognizing or identifying the key of C from which where you are going to start playing with the right hand or the left hand, as the case may be. Now, how do we go about that? Look at it carefully well. Now, anytime, anywhere you get to wherever there is piano, to locate which key is your C, or which white note, which white key on the keyboard is your key C. How do you find out? It is very simple. Just look out for where you have two black keys. You know, as I said earlier, you have the two black keys, three black keys. The black keys are in 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Just locate where you have two black keys anywhere on the keyboard. Two black keys. Just stretch your finger 2 and finger 3. Locate that. Those two black keys arranged side by side. Can you see my fingers? Finger 2, finger 3. Okay? Then the white key that is immediately before the first of the two black keys, the white key before, is your C. Two black keys, the white before the first of the two black keys is your C. You can see the way I locate my own. You can go down, Look for any two black keys. Look at two black keys again. Finger 1 on the white key before it. The same thing down here. This way. Two black keys and the white before it. That is your C on the keyboard. Now, before I progress, let me quickly tell you this. You don't just put your hands on the piano keys anyhow. When you put your fingers on the keys, your wrist is raised up a little bit, as if there's a ball underneath your palm, which you don't want to crush, like you have a bubble underneath your palm, which you don't want to crush. That is how you put your fingers on the keyboard. Not like this. Not like this. This way. Now, having located your C, your finger 1 on C, the next black key to it, that's finger 2, the next one to read, finger 3, the next one to read, finger 4, and the next one to read, finger 5. You can see that. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. That is how to locate your key of C. Once you put your fingers one after the other on each of the white keys, you are preparing your way to start learning how to play the piano. So that is all about how to locate your C on the keyboard. Two black keys, your finger 2, finger 3, then your white key. Your finger 1 on the white key before the two black keys. Two black keys located by your finger 2, finger 3, then the white before it. You can do that to as many two black keys you have and the white. Locate your C anywhere on the keyboard. That settles the case for now. Thank you.